In this video, I'll show you how to create AI automations in Jira. First, sign into your Jira account and open the project where you want to create automations. Next, once you're inside the project, click Space Settings. After that, you'll be taken to the Space Settings dashboard. Look for the automation option and click on it. Now, you'll see the automation page with all of the existing automation rules for that project. Next, click the option to create a new automation. From there, you can choose the type of automation you want to build and configure it according to your workflow. After that, follow the setup steps provided by Jira. You can create automations for task creation, status changes, notifications, assignments, and many other actions. Now, customize the automation based on your needs and save it when you're finished. Finally, enable the automation and let Jira handle those tasks automatically for you. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create AI automations in Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.